Hello, friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Tarot King. If you like the tarot readings, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Hello, friends, today I am here with a pick a card reading for Saturn retrograde. Saturn is getting retrograde on 23rd of May till 10th of October. Now, I had seen lots of astrologers saying that this period is going to be a very difficult period, this and that, and creating unnecessary fear. But it's not like that. You don't need to worry because Saturn gets retrograde in every year. Almost 35 to 40% of part of a year, every year Saturn is retrograde. So this is not new. You had gone through this period earlier also, so you don't need to worry. If you are a disciplined person, you are a person of high integrity, you don't need to be fearful of Saturn. Now let's check for you how Saturn retrograde will affect you. Thank you. Hello, friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This reading is for effects of Saturn retrograde on you. How Saturn retrograde will impact you in the year 2021. Now, from 23rd May, Saturn is getting retrograde and it will be retrograde till 10th of October. So, what will be its effect on you people? So, this is a pick a card tarot reading for that. So, these are the numbers. All you need to do is to choose a number from 1 to 10, and then I'll take out the cards one by one and do the reading for each number. So let's start from number 1. Excellent card for number 1. Those who are into business, they'll be highly benefited. If they had applied for any kind of loans, they will get it. If their money is stuck somewhere, they will get it. Those who are bachelors might fall into love, new relationship, engagement. And those parents who are waiting for babies, you will get good news. So all in all, those who have chosen number 1, this Saturn retrograde period from 23rd May till 10th of October is very good for you. Now, those who have chosen number 2, how will be Saturn retrograde period for you people? Oh, terrible, terrible. So, Tower card, then 7 of Swords and Star card. So, these two cards clearly indicates that period will be terrible, terrible, terrible for you. So, those who are into business should take all the precautions about fire, theft. Also, take precautions at your home. Those who have chosen number 2, high chances of some shocking incidents, accidents, fire, theft, and all sorts of bad things. All you need to do is to be alert. But yes, by the end of Saturn retrograde period, things are going to be good for you. But till then, start of Saturn retrograde will bring you lot of hiccups. So be careful. Then, number 3. Those who have chosen number 3, what will be the effect of Saturn retrograde? Average. Not very bad, not very good. These people should take care of their health. They should protect themselves from this virus, coronavirus, or any kind of health issues which are related to water, like cough and cold, bronchitis, or such things. Financially, it will be okay. So, all in all, an absolutely average period. Not very good, but not very bad also, for those who have chosen number 3. Number 4. Those who have chosen number 4, this is going to be a very good period for you. New property, money, and ladies who are into media, they might get promotions. Not ladies, but even gents also, they will do really well. Those who have chosen number 4, a very good period ahead for you people from 23rd May till 10th of October. If you had thought of buying a property, go ahead. You will get it during this period. Now, those who have chosen number 5. So, those who have chosen number 5, looks like Tata bye bye to old relationships, start of new relationship. That's what I can see. These relationships can be a business relationship or personal relationship, anything. But yes, new things coming your way, old things going. And if you are a diabetic, you need to take care about your health. All in all, a good period. That's what I can say, looking at these cards. Now, those who have chosen number 6, again, absolutely terrible. So, those who have chosen number 6, this Saturn retrograde period is not going to be good for you. It will be absolutely bad for you, rubbish for you. So, what you need to do, postpone any important thing which you had planned during this period, 23rd May to 10th October. Any engagement, then marriage, or business deal, or any important thing which you have planned. You need, if you can postpone that, you will get better results after retrograde period. In this period, you are not going to get very good results. Those who are searching for jobs, they will struggle. I can see heartbreaks. All in all, a very difficult period for those who have chosen number 6. Then, those who have chosen number 7. Okay. These cards looks good. Those who are senior citizens need to take care of their knee problems. They might face problems in moving or bone related problems. um, bone related problems, but apart from that, I don't see any big issues. Yes, there will be certain, you people are required to do certain adjustments regarding your financial situation. It will be full of ups and downs during this period, but I'm sure you will manage it. All in all, an above average grade, not bad, not very good, but above average. Now, those who have chosen number 8. Now, look at these three cards. Devil, this is Seven of Swords, Page of Swords, and World card. So, this is a card of transformation. Now, Saturn indicates uh, Saturn wants you people to come out of your comfort zone. And when a person comes out of his or her comfort zone, he often faces struggle. But after that struggle, he find himself in friendly territory. So that's what going to happen. Here I can clearly, this cards looks very bad, but the result is going to be really good. Devil card indicates that the person will be in their comfort zone, and they are required to do lots of struggle, lots of fighting. So here suggestion is, come out of your comfort zone, start afresh, end of one circle, start of another circle. So come out of your comfort zone, and this period might be a struggle for you, but the end result is going to be really good. So those who have chosen number 8, your period is going to be really good, and very good results you are going to get for Saturn retrograde. Now those who have chosen number 9, again very good cards, some kind of celebrations I can see. It can be regarding marriage, birth of a child, uh, financial gains, everything. All good things are going to happen for those who have chosen number 9. And people, those who have chosen number 10. Now, first of all, those who are having some blood pressure related problems, they need to be careful. Otherwise, overall, uh, this period is going to be average, not very good, but not bad also. Some kind of expansion I can see, benefits from government departments, bureaucracy I can see. One important another thing is, uh, those who are at important positions, they need to use politically correct language, uh, and they should avoid unparliamentary language. That's what I'll suggest them. All in all, a good period. They don't have to worry about anything else, only health issue. So all in all, for most of the numbers, Saturn retrograde effect is going to be good. Apart from few 2 or 3 numbers, rest they do not need to worry. So if you are new to this YouTube channel, please do not forget to subscribe and keep giving me your ideas, suggestions and feedback. Thank you.